The perfect connection. Fast, reliable, tried and tested millions of times. That's what counts. And there's no reason why you should settle for anything less where electrical installation is concerned. WINSTA from WAGO, the better alternative for the perfect electrical installation. Let's make a comparison. 2 installers, 1 task. While one gets to work with the ceiling fixture and the indispensable toolkit in the conventional way, the other relies on WINSTA from WAGO. The result, maximum time saving, greatest possible flexibility, utmost safety, optimum benefits. Advantages which matter in practice. WINSTA from WAGO, the better alternative for the perfect electrical installation. Fast, reliable, and already tried and tested millions of times. The future of electrical installation clearly belongs to the snap-in connector. The WINSTA system has the right solution to satisfy any practical requirement. Connecting lighting fixtures in ceiling installations, one of the major challenges in the redevelopment of Munich Airport. Here, WINSTA impresses particularly with its high service capability and universal connection technology. Clients also benefit from the close cooperation between WAGO and its numerous system partners in the lighting industry. A close look inside the Norwegian Pearl shows that every new cruise liner built by the Meyer Werft shipyard in Papenburg has WINSTA on board. Safety first. Thanks to their WINSTA components with different coding and colouring, the cabin distribution boards provide 100% protection against mismating for different circuits. By using the certified WINSTA connector system, the Meyer Werft shipyard has succeeded in reducing the installation time by up to 30%. The advantages of WINSTA are also fully exploited in the construction of prefabricated houses, whether distribution boxes for one-way, two-way or serial switching or prefabricated components. With WINSTA, Camper AG is able to carry out almost all of the electrical installation in advance in the factory. This avoids errors on site and saves costs. The motorhome industry benefits from the universal snap-in WINSTA system. Shorter production times lead to significantly lower costs. Electrical devices are supplied ready-fitted with WINSTA connectors. Mobile home manufacturers such as LMC Caravan therefore do not need additional electricians for making connections. Thanks to the high reliability of WINSTA components, they know that in spite of this, every electrical connection will work faultlessly. WINSTA has long been an indispensable feature in modern building installations. The system is also suitable for the requirements of modern office buildings, which have to be equipped for varying use. The use of WINSTA IDC with flat cables for underfloor installation provides maximum flexibility with minimum planning effort. Installations in laboratory areas require a higher degree of electrification compared with normal offices. The WINSTA system has the right solution for any such complex requirement. The strength of WINSTA can be seen particularly in workstations with a modular design. The snap-in connector system enables workstations to be expanded or combined. Bombardier Transportation Berlin places its trust in WINSTA to satisfy the continuously increasing requirements for convenience in modern rail vehicles. Specially made cable chains are laid in the sidewalls of the carriages for supplying power to the seats. Power is therefore permanently available, for example, for connecting laptops to the train power supply. Maximum flexibility. Indispensable in the construction of exhibitions, electrical installation with WINSTA components simplifies the continual assembly and dismantling of stands, enables material to be reused, and ensures 100% reliability of the connection at all times. WINSTA from WAGO. One system for all applications. Fast, reliable, tried and tested millions of times. WINSTA from WAGO, the better alternative for the perfect electrical installation.